It's December 22nd and 2025 is coming to an end. This year has been possibly one of the best years of my life, and Noisy has been a very big part of it. And Noisy, for those of you who don't know, is actually my content creative agency, and this has been the first year or first proper year of business, and I'm proud. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Despite being humble and all of that, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. हमने बहुत काफ़ी कुछ अचीव कर लिया है, and that achievement may not be big, small, doesn't matter. And I'm very happy that it's like, this is usually not my energy. I'm very much more pumped, but I feel like by the end of the year ना हम सबकी energy low हो जाती है, and you just want to be in this reminiscing mood where you're like going back and thinking, you know what, these are all the amazing things we did, these are the things that I learned, and these are the things that I want to improve in the next year. It's a very typical December mood, right? That's why we make resolutions. That's why we think कि अगले साल ये सब करेंगे, and that's a very natural thing. मैं भी करती हूँ, and that's what I'm going to do today, even with my team. It is my responsibility to make sure my team is healthy and happy and is enjoying work. But I can't always guarantee that work will be fun, because sometimes हम सबको करना पड़ता है. Like there's always a part of the job that you don't enjoy. But if I can control some certain aspects of it, you know, to make my team's lives better and work more enriching, so why would I not do it? And that's why I'm going to go and have this conversation. They don't know about it. I like to be like the teacher who will come in class and be like, surprise test. And they fare very well, okay, because I think they're used to it. We do so many of these team meetings. Every Monday we do it. Every Monday I need to have like a sit down debrief of the past week and a proper brief of the coming week, because I am an over communicator and I demand that from my team कि आप बताओ मुझे आपके प्लेट पे क्या है, what are you doing, what are you planning to do in this week, what all has been done in the last week. And I think I have drilled it into their brains कि ये तो करना ही है. And in such a small team, I think it's very important to have these conversations. So I'm gonna go and ask them these questions.
The next day.
Okay, so we've come for our Christmas lunch, and now I'm going to ask everyone in the team the questions that I've thought of. The first question is, what is the one thing you guys have really enjoyed working on this year? Miss Simran, please do the honors.
So this year I really enjoyed working on some very good projects that we did at Noisy. So it can be Bewakoof, Zook, Jiva. There were so many projects that we didn't even think of that we will work with these brands. So yeah, it has also improved my edits on a way much better than I used to do it before. So yeah.
I really enjoy working on each and every project till date. But I was excited for the Book My Show and Be There shoot, which we almost spent a month or two in pre-production.
What I really enjoyed working on at my short time at Noisy was scripting, especially for social media content, because I've never worked with video content for social media. So scripting and ideating for social content was something that I really enjoyed and something new that I learned.
So I really enjoy working on social media creator content, which I never work on in the past. That's a new thing I learn, and taking inputs, giving inputs, and in a shoot and script. I think that's I learn new thing here.
I really enjoyed working on the Zook studio shoot that we did, because that was the first shoot where I was in full control of the lights, direction, and even of the concepts. So yeah, and I had put in some effort that really showed up in the edit. Second would be when Priyanka was gone to Thailand. I think it was a tough time, but I really enjoyed it. It was challenging, but it made me grow as a person so much, and it made me realize that I was capable of handling and managing a team while doing my own work, which is crazy. But yeah.
So hi, one of my favorite projects that we did at Noisy would be everything that we did for Zook and Beavercove, it's so interesting. The mind just twists and turns in the best way possible, and the outcome that team produces, it's just insane, and everything comes together in the best way possible.
So the next question that I want to ask everyone is that what is maybe one thing that you've learned at Noisy and has made your life better outside of work? You know, something, I don't know, that you guys have to tell me.
I have been able to easily confront people and have more difficult conversations because I am the youngest one here and everybody is elder to me. So I think that is something that has really helped me make my life better without feeling guilty about it. So I'm proud of it.
So I directed a short film for my college project this semester, and I had no experience directing before, but seeing Priyanka direct, that helped me guide my group. So yeah, that was one skill that really helped me in my life outside Noisy.
I really inspired by Priyanka and Devang also. I recently watched their daily vlog, especially Devang. So I really feel that I also want to start my own travel vlog or something like a daily vlog or weekly something shorts, and capture that moment and edit for myself. Yeah.
Shout out to Devang. So the one thing that I have really learned as in person is that I can share what's in my mind. I can express more. And what else? Skill-wise also I have developed a lot. Like I'm now able to visualize things like how I want my videos to be or how I want the things to be whenever it comes to the videos and all. So this is one of the skills that have been missing somewhere, but it has now come up. Touch it.
How to be more specific in pre and post production that I have learned in Noisy.
And obviously there are a lot of things that I have learned at Noisy, but one of the things that in specific I have learned would be from Priyanka, and it is to take a stand for the values that you have, for what you believe in, the ethics that you have, and to uphold them above everything and anyone. So yeah.
I feel like something that I've really learned better is to say no, is to make difficult decisions and have difficult conversations without fearing that, oh, they might not like me. Because sometimes, especially being a founder, that's you're not going to be liked every day, and I have to make peace with that, be it from like my team or even clients. It's just what it is. But now I'm more confident about my decision making, and it becomes more like it becomes stronger as the day goes by, because I have so many people depending on me, so I can't let them down. I'm not going to let Noisy down and become too inspirational. But yeah, that's what I've learned, and that's what Noisy teaches me every day.